fourth center activation. The color to this center is green, so you can close your eyes in this nice position. You relax, you place your hands here, you tap your fourth center. I'm so happy and grateful now, and I love my body, I love myself. I express the love in every part of my body. I express this love in every cell of my body. I accept and I surrender to this big, powerful connection with the universe. And I send this love to every center of my body. I connect to this big dynamic that I have inside me, and I create right here, right now, anything I want, anytime I want it. I'm so powerful. I'm so grateful. I am love. I love myself. I am love. I love myself. You will observe that after 1-2 minutes, you will relax and you will feel better, and you can create whatever you want. Thank you. My love. Namaste.